What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, it is Christmas. Merry Christmas to all. And for those of you who don't know me, I'm a professional leverage trader and instructor, and I make my living trading cryptocurrency with some serious efficiency. If you guys want to make better gains and learn how to trade, head right over to the student program, get signed up. Links are below and above. And for those of you who want the little additive edge, you've got to follow me on my socials. For instance, I change the color of my eyes, which way I'm leaning in the market that day, and that can really help you guys get a better entry and make more money. And for those of you who want to actually meet me, I am going to be going to a Bitcoin convention April 6th through 9th. That will be in Miami. Make sure you guys get your tickets really soon. That's going to be extremely epic. And also, guys, if you haven't signed up to Bybit, they are doing a $4,000 plus sign-in bonus right now. Links are below. Definitely get signed up to that straight away. I wanted to go over Electroneum today and Bitcoin, two very popular coins on my channel, guys, and just for so many reasons why. I want to make sure you guys are making as much gains as you can through the super cycle and through the development of all of these different coins, guys. There is no time to waste. If you are not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. And guys, I'm going to dive right into the price action. Alright guys, so let's just start out with Electroneum here. Now there's some brief moments of oversold and overbought territory here, but in essence this ascending wedge is definitely playing true. Now we had a breakout out of this descending channel here, but are we going to get more bullish favor and actually get a little bit more of a push? So guys, for instance, I'm going to start on the 4 hour, when in doubt zoom out a little bit and see where we're at. Same thing, go to the daily. Okay, notice the stotch being in the middle on both of those. Okay, so a little bit of indecision here. Okay, the volume pretty low actually. For instance, we had some big buys here, but in general the stotch is looking to unload here. Okay, and not only that, but we don't have too much volume. The moving average is up, but the volume is low with just one big flash sale right here. Somebody just sold basically. And in essence, guys, ascending wedge has a tendency to break down to the downside, 70-30. Okay, so there's definitely an opportunity for this to be moving down here, guys. Get your bags ready. Hopefully I can get this video out really quick. But guys, just if we go down, use wedge theory, for instance, measured from the back to the point of breakout. And then notice that would line up almost exactly with an alert that I have set, guys. And there's a reason for that. That would be a nice target projection right out of a short. Okay, and do the same theories to the top. We break resistance, look for that long, and notice we end up touching right around a polar resistance. Was support. Okay, now it is a resistance. Okay, and that's the point, guys. Make these trades a reality by understanding wedge theory and then playing the indications in combination with volume to make your entries, guys. It is easy money every time. But let's just zoom out and quickly talk about the bigger picture right here. And just in simplicity, guys, we've got to start walking up. I mean, this channel has been working down. I mean, we could even draw another big channel here with a brief moment of oversold territory, and guys, it would still reign true. We've got to start to break and flip the EMAs again, which if we actually get the breakout to the upside on this pattern, we could think about retesting the 200 on the 4 hour, break that, get a total flipping of the EMAs on the bigger time frame, guys, and we could start to think about even testing static resistances as well as reverse pressure all the way up here. Okay, so there's a little bit of work to be done. But I think as we develop, and not only in the super cycle for Bitcoin, Electroneum is going to have some nice moves here. And it's just anticipated at this point, where it's long overdue. You know, we've all seen the potential this coin has. And guys, I am not worried at all. I'm a big bag holder. Yes, a lot of my coin is free at this point. But guys, I've made very good entries. I've made very good exits. And guys, I wanted to get into that really quick, just in general. If you guys are not just mastering those entries and exits, let's just talk about one indication specifically here. Looks like that's just wicked out. Notice how that touched support, by the way. Anyway, let's go right into the Bollinger Band just for a brief moment, guys. And just in simplicity, for those of you who are brand new to trading, what you want to do is watch for oversold and overbought territory. Specifically oversold if you're just looking to buy. So for instance, this would have been a good buy. Overbought, good exit. And guys, that's a nice little profit right there. Quite simply, okay? If you would have taken that trade, even just got in and out, you know, that's a 10% in the matter of a day and change. Okay, guys, and that's the point. Really make as much money as you can by understanding the indication plays, and that's what makes trading a reality for just about everyone. Okay, so, and then when you're thinking the polar up, say like you're thinking, you know, shorts, same thing. Look for the overbought territory, sell at the oversold, guys, and you'll notice you're going to be winning, winning, winning. Combine that with the volume movements. Notice they line right up, and especially the stotch. You're going to have an easy win streak here. And I have students in the high 80s, high 90s regularly here this way. Okay, and this is just one indication in combination with volume. Throwing in the stotch sometimes as well, but you guys get the idea. Makes trading very easy. And then when you incorporate things like barbell theory, for instance, notice the widening, the tightening, and then the widening again, guys. That's barbell theory all day. You're going to see those movements happen right before your eyes, basically 2-3 times a day. Go to lower time frames, that's guaranteed. Okay, make these trades a reality. Use your patterns within patterns and combine indications with volume to make your entries, guys. That's what we're looking at for Electroneum. Let's just go right over to Bitcoin, just get this going. So guys, just looking at it right off the gate here, I mean, lots of barbell theory already. We're about to have another one. What's really nice is we're working this wedge already. Now guys, just for transparency, I would draw this a little differently now. Remember, we had to kind of draw this out a day ago, but we're going to have to change it right now. So for instance, I would make it just like this, running down like that. Now for instance, this is where it gets kind of interesting, guys. I would almost just start it right like this, run it straight through, and then we have a brief moment of overbought territory there, guys. And in essence, notice we had the pumping up and the dumping up and go straight down and see the volume lining up straight with it, guys. That's those moments of volatility that will be availed to us in crypto, okay? 20 some years from now, the volatility will go down. The price will be much higher. And that's what's really nice about crypto. That's how we make money, is in the volatility, guys. So say like even played the bands at any point, right here, for instance, playing the pattern, or playing the 7 and the 20 and the 55 cross, or the breakout. Okay, the 3 types of entries, guys. If you don't know how to do those 3 types, that's also what you'll learn in the student program. Okay, and then you could have taken any moment of the overbought. Okay, easy stuff. And if you guys noticed, there's a nice barbell theory that played out right here. Okay, and another here, and one playing out already right here. Okay, so definitely some very obvious moves coming here, guys. And just in simplicity, what I want you guys to do is say like we break to the downside here, breaking this support. Okay, play it to EMA to EMA. Okay, the 100, the 200, but also use wedge theory as a target aggregator, so that way you can actually see when your target should be hit, and then reanalyze. Say, hey, are we going to get the bounce back? Are we going to get a rebound? Are we going to keep going? Say like you enter a short right here on the indication play, for instance, crossing the median in combination with volume, the 7 and the 20, the Bollinger Bands over, but you guys get the idea. Okay, even a bounce off the top band. Okay, notice the volume coming in, rotate, for instance, cross the road, go down to smaller time frames, come back. Guys, easy stuff every freaking time. Okay, now notice as the stotch unloads right here, it will start to curl over, the volume will dip, the move will happen right around here, guys. It's going to be, oh, if I had to put a pin on it, I would say like within the next, definitely within the next day. So like, I'd say maybe like 1 in the morning. Okay, anticipate this move to happen. Okay, and just watch for that increase in volume to come out, and then we're going to get the move right around here, guys, and that will complete another barbell theory. Okay, very simple stuff for Bitcoin. And guys, I'm still anticipating some higher times. Yes, it took a little longer to anticipate. I actually thought we'd be a little higher right now, maybe in 55 or more. But as I said, the longer it takes to get to the top, the higher that top's going to be. So, for instance, Plan B predicted, 288,000 plus, right? That number could be very accurate and or even higher by the time this parabolic run-up actually kicks in. And guys, I got to tell you, my bags are beyond packed. Every dime I make goes right into crypto, and why shouldn't it? Why wouldn't it? Okay, it's the future of money. We are the new age elite. Make sure your bags are packed so that you're making as much profit as you can. And guys, we are starting to walk up. Okay, so in general, we had to start to walk up. We're already starting to do that. Let's see if we get the break right here and walk up again and retest this static resistance, guys. That's exactly what we need. So I'm actually anticipating that. We've definitely had some moves come around Christmas and into the beginning of New Year. It would just coincide with past history, guys. Definitely something to be anticipated. And guys, that's all the time I have for today. Just incredible times in Zion. The student program is just flying. I cannot express it enough, guys. If you guys aren't making money and you just don't know what to do, and you're tired of just working 2 jobs or whatever it is, this is for you. You can learn to trade, make serious money, and be just like the rest of us, guys. It's such an amazing place that we have right now, and I can't express enough that when I meet people, a lot of people are even doing well, but now they're walking on air, and that's a whole new feeling for a lot of people. you know, just feeling so financially stable and in their understanding. And guys, that's really why I'm doing this. It wasn't me making a lot of money, it was you guys making a lot of money that actually made my page start to get some notoriety. And in general, guys, it gives me a lot of peace seeing you guys succeed and bring that knowledge back to your families with great success. Just impeccable times in cryptocurrency with another 28 years availed to us with some serious profit margin in our way. Why not make as much as you can, guys? Just make sure you're, you know, taking good records and stuff so, you know, you can do your taxes and stuff. That's really my best advice. But guys, honestly, if you really aren't making good gains, that's what Zion is for. Join the student program, and soon to be evolving by the time you complete your program into IO. I don't know how many of you guys have seen the new Matrix movie, but just incredible, guys. I know my page would get more noticed if I had some individualized name. There's like, you know, 400 other Matrix pages. But guys, the Matrix is extremely relevant to our everyday lives, and especially crypto trading with so much manipulation and corruption out there, guys. You've got to learn to see the glitches in the Matrix to make these entries a reality, and that's what we teach about in Zion. So guys, if you want to make better gains, get started, join right up. Just amazing times headed your way, guys. Just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. Have a Merry Christmas, guys. I am Crypto Matrix.